Have you ever wondered why some people stay single for years, even when they secretly crave connection? Why they pull back the moment someone gets too close? Or why they feel safer alone even while complaining about loneliness? What if staying single isn't a choice, but a psychological pattern wired deep into their past experiences? And here's the real twist. What if the people who stay single aren't avoiding love, but avoiding a version of themselves they're scared to face? Today, we're diving into the strange, silent, and often shocking psychology behind long-term singleness. Some people stay single because they've been hurt once and their mind assumes the next person will repeat the same script. Others stay single not because they don't trust others, but because they don't trust their own ability to survive another emotional loss. And then there are those who secretly believe they're not enough for a healthy relationship, so their brain convinces them they're better off alone. But wait, here's where it gets even more fascinating. Many singles develop a hyper-independent mindset, telling themselves they don't need anyone, when in reality, the mind is trying to protect them from the vulnerability that relationships demand. And yet buried under all of this is the quiet fear most people never admit. What if someone gets close enough to see the parts of me I hide from the world? But here's the plot twist. People who stay single for long often develop powerful traits, emotional clarity, stronger boundaries, sharper self-awareness, and a deep understanding of what they actually want from a relationship. However, the longer they stay single, the more their brain adjusts to a life without emotional interruption, and suddenly love begins to feel like a threat to their stability instead of a source of comfort. So the question isn't, why are these people single? The real question is, what happened that made being alone feel safer than being understood? Because behind every long-term single person, there's a story, a fear, a memory, a wound, or a standard so high it's nearly impossible to meet. And if you've ever wondered why some people stay alone even when they're fully capable of love, it's because their psychology isn't fighting relationships. It's fighting the version of pain they never want to repeat. And once you understand this pattern, you'll never look at single people the same way again.